Welcome you student. Today we shall continue our chapter number system. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.5 from NCERT. So let's start our class. This is some rules which is used in exercise 1.5. Their first rule is if any numbers are forming root under AB, then you have to express in root under A into root under B, where A and B are both are different numbers. Just for example, root under 6. So we have to write root 2 into root 3. Suppose we have root 6, we have to write root 2 into root 3 in this way. Now our second rule is root under A by B. For example, if I take 9 by 4, we have to write root under 9 by root under 4. We have to break in numerator as well as in denominator form. Our third rule is root under A plus root under B of root under A minus root under B. So what we do, if you see, this is A plus B, A minus B. You write A square minus B square, and root A square becomes A and root B square becomes A. Why? Because we know that same thing on a root we multiply by same number. So for example, root 2 into root 2, it becomes 2. Root A into root A, it becomes A. We have write A minus B. Now fourth one is root under A plus root under B square. We have to express it. This is A square, 2AB, B square. Root A square means root A into root A, it becomes A. This is 2AB and this is B. I hope this rule is clear to you. Now we have take some examples or some simplify simplify 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. See how we solve this one. You have to solve as usual. We have to break the factors or multiply the algebraic terms. First 3 multiplied by 2, it becomes 6 right here, plus sign. Next 3 multiplied root 2, it becomes 3 root 2. Again give the plus sign. Next root 3 multiplied 2, it becomes 2 root 3 plus. And see, now rule from first. This is root 3 and root 2. It becomes what? Root 6. As you know that root under AB is equals to, we have to write in root A into root B. Clear? I hope this one is clear to you. Now take another example or questions. Rationalize the denominator in this question. First is our 1 by root 7 minus root 6. See how we rationalize denominator. If anything we have to rationalize it, denominator, first we have to check the terms and with their sign. If you see, the terms is root 7 minus root 6. So what we do, just we have to rationalize by their opposite sign. Opposite sign means, suppose we have root under 7 minus 6, we have to multiply it by root under 7 plus 6, root under 7 plus 6. Suppose we have plus sign, so we have to multiply it by minus sign. Those signs are written here, just we have to multiply it by their opposite sign. That's it. Now 1 multiplied this, it becomes root 7 plus root 6, and this becomes, you see the rules, this is A plus B and A minus B. So what we write here, root 7 square minus root 6 square. Now this what we have to write, root 7 plus root 6 by this becomes what, 7 minus 6, and finally this becomes root 7 plus root 6. I repeat once again what we do. Rationalize the denominator. First we check the denominator. Our denominator is root 7 minus root 6. So what we write? These have negative sign. You have to multiply it by their opposite sign. Root under 7 plus 6 by root under 7 plus 6. This numerator multiplied 1. This becomes root 7 plus 6. And this is a plus b, a minus b. You have to write root 7 square minus root 6 square. This becomes root 7 plus 6. And this is 7 minus 6. It becomes 1. Therefore, our final answer is root 7 plus root 6. I hope this one is clear to you. Now take another example. This is question 4. Question is 1 by root 7 minus 2. Our denominator is root under 7 minus 2. To proceed in similar way, right here root under 7 minus 2. You have to multiply by what? Their opposite sign. Root 7 plus 2. Root 7 plus 2. Clear? Now this becomes root 7 plus 2, and this is a plus b, a minus b. So what we write here? Root 7 square minus root 2 square. Clear? Now this becomes root 7 plus 2, and this becomes 7 minus 4. Therefore our final answer will be what? Root 7 plus 2 by 3. Just to proceed in similar way. Our denominator is root under 7 minus 2 multiplied by root under 7 plus 2. Numerator comes here, and this is a plus b minus b. It becomes a square minus b square by our formula. And this becomes root 7 square becomes 7. 2 square becomes 4. 7 minus 4 becomes 3. I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly.